Hello students, good morning. In this video, we will discuss about the physical and chemical properties of alkane. Here, alkane, that is, it is the first hydrocarbon, that is saturated hydrocarbons having general molecular formula CnH2n plus 2. Okay. So here, alkane, that is CH4, that is C2H6, C3H8 and so on. All these are the alkanes. So in alkanes there are only CC bond, carbon-carbon bond and carbon-hydrogen bond. Okay. And the electronegativity of carbon and hydrogen is nearly same. Okay. And that's why these alkanes, they are the non-polar molecule. म्हणजे काय तर अल्केन मध्ये फक्त कार्बन-कार्बन आणि कार्बन-हायड्रोजन बॉन्ड आहे. मग कार्बन-कार्बन मध्ये तर प्रॉपरेशनच नाही कारण दोनही सेम ॲटम ऑफ एन एलिमेंट्स आहे. बट कार्बन अँड हायड्रोजन बॉन्ड, तर कार्बन आणि हायड्रोजन मधली इलेक्ट्रोनिगेटिव्हिटी कशी आहे, नियर अबाउट सेम. आणि मग सेम इलेक्ट्रोनिगेटिव्हिटीचे ॲटम जेव्हा एकत्र बॉन्डिंग होते, त्यांचं कोव्हॅलंट बॉन्डने एकत्र येतात, त्यावेळेस दे आर कॉल्ड ॲज द नॉन पोलर मॉलिक्यूल. मीन्स दॅट बॉन्ड इज नॉन पोलर. पोलॅरिटी डेव्हलप होईल का तिथे, इलेक्ट्रोनिगेटिव्हिटी सेम असेल तर नाही. आणि म्हणून मग दे आर कॉल्ड ॲज द नॉन पोलर मॉलिक्यूल. अँड आज दे आर द नॉन पोलर मॉलिक्यूल, द फोर्स ऑफ अट्रॅक्शन बिटवीन द नॉन पोलर मॉलिक्यूल इज कॉल्ड ॲज द व्हॅन डर वाल्स फोर्स ऑफ अट्रॅक्शन. अँड देर इज अ स्ट्रॉंग व्हॅन डर वाल्स फोर्स ऑफ अट्रॅक्शन बिटवीन द मॉलिक्यूल्स. Okay, so here that strong van der Waals force of attraction, it is increases in the straight chain hydrocarbons or straight chain alkane, and that's why in straight chain alkane they are closely associated with each other because of the stronger van der Waals force of attraction, and that's why melting point and boiling point of alkane with straight chain formula is higher than that of the branched chain alkane. म्हणजे काय तर स्ट्रेट चेन अल्केनचा मेल्टिंग पॉइंट आणि बॉइलिंग पॉइंट हा ब्रांचड चेन अल्केन पेक्षा जास्त असतो. का, कारण स्ट्रेट चेन अल्केन मध्ये व्हॅन डर वाल्स फोर्स ऑफ अट्रॅक्शन जास्त असल्यामुळे दे आर क्लोजली असोसिएटेड विथ इच अदर, क्लोजली अट्रॅक्टेड with each other, and therefore having the higher melting point and boiling point. Then first four members, they are the gaseous. Next is 5 to 17 means C5 to C17, from pentane to heptadecane. These are the liquid, and onward means from C18 to onward they are the solid wax. Okay. Then these are the colorless and odorless at room temperature. Means alkanes are colorless and odorless at room temperature. This is all of the physical properties of alkene. Next one, that is chemical properties of alkene. In the chemical properties of alkane, we consider here that is halogenation. In halogenation, that is chlorination and bromination, then combustion of alkane, and then the other properties, that is properties of alkane. Here pyrolysis, which is the most important property of alkane. Okay, so in this video we are consider here halogenation of alkane. First, that is chlorination of methane. Here chlorination and bromination is carried out in presence of UV rays, ultraviolet rays. Here chlorination of methane. Methane, you know that the molecular formula is CH4 and it can be written as CH4. Okay. Plus here Cl2. Cl2 it can be written as also Cl single bond Cl in UV rays. Okay. Now here from the methane, one hydrogen atom gets combined with one Cl and to form HCl, here minus HCl, and it gets replaced by Cl to form here CH3Cl, and this is called as methyl chloride. Methyl chloride. Again methyl chloride, HCH and this Cl. plus on chlorination Cl2 in presence of UV rays. Here again H combined with Cl, here minus HCl, and this Cl combined here to form here HCH, here Cl and Cl. This is called as methylidene dichloride. Methylidene dichloride, or it is also called as 1,1-dichloromethane. Okay. Next one, that is here HCl, methylidene dichloride. Again on chlorination in presence of UV light or UV rays. Here again minus HCl. This H combined with Cl to form minus HCl, and Cl combined here to form HCl, Cl, and this is a chloroform. Okay. Next again chloroform, here H, here Cl on chlorination in presence of UV rays. Again this H combined with Cl, here minus HCl, and we get here Cl, and this is carbon tetrachloride. Carbon tetrachloride means here methane on chlorination in presence of UV rays. First it gives methyl chloride, then on further chlorination gives methylidene dichloride, then chloroform and carbon tetrachloride. Okay. Then here what is the mechanism of this chlorination of methane? So for the chlorination of methane, here in presence of UV rays or at high temperature, this Cl2 molecule, that is Cl single bond Cl, this is the mechanism. So Cl in UV light or UV rays, here there is a homolytic fission, and because of homolytic fission these Cl free radicals are obtained. These are the free radicals. Okay. And these free radical, when CH3 molecule brought in contact with this in UV rays, here this Cl free radical, here this H combined with this Cl free radical and to form here HCl, and here CH3 free radical is obtained. Now this CH3 free radical, it reacts with this Cl2, CH3 free radical. Again this Cl combined with this and to form here CH3Cl, and again Cl free radical. And after that the propagation means after this chain is continue and to form here methylidene dichloride, chloroform, and finally carbon tetrachloride, that is all 4 hydrogen atom gets replaced by Cl. Okay. Next one, that is chlorination and bromination of other alkanes like ethane, propane and butane, especially in isobutane. So here the activity of halogen towards alkane is fluorine is greater than chlorine, which is greater than bromine, and which is greater than iodine. Okay, this is the reactivity towards alkane. And the replacement of hydrogen atom from alkane is, that is tertiary is greater than secondary and which is greater than primary. There is one exceptional case, then we will discuss after some time. Okay. So here first chlorination of propane. Chlorination of propane. You know that here CH3, CH2, CH2. This is the structure of propane. Plus Cl2, Cl single bond Cl in presence of UV rays or UV light or at high temperature. Here H from this carbon combined with Cl to form N-propyl chloride, as well as H from these combined with Cl to form secondary propyl chloride. But the major product is secondary, because here secondary is greater than primary. Okay, so here CH3, CH2, CH2, and this H combined with Cl to form HCl, and Cl combined here to form here N-propyl chloride. N-propyl chloride. Plus, now this H combined with Cl to form HCl, and Cl combined here to form here CH3, CHCl, CH3. This is secondary propyl chloride. Secondary propyl chloride. And therefore here this is the major product and this is minor product. Okay. Next one, that is bromination of propyl. Bromination of propyl. Propane and then butane. Okay. Here in the bromination of propane, here propane CH3, CH2, CH3. This is propane. Again bromination, Br single bond Br. Again in presence of same UV light. Okay. Now this HBr and this H replaced by this Br. Again here secondary and N-propyl bromide. So here CH3, CH2, CH2. Okay. H gets combined with Br and this Br combined here. So here N-propyl bromide. N-propyl bromide. Plus here again H combined with Br to form HBr, and then H gets replaced by Br to form here secondary propyl bromide. Secondary propyl bromide. This is again major product and this is minor product. Okay. Next one, that is bromination of isobutane. Bromination of isobutane. Isobutane. So according to this rule, here isobutane is CH3CCH H CH2H. This CH3 can be written as CH2H. Okay. Now this is the tertiary carbon atom and H from this tertiary carbon atom. This is H from primary carbon atom. So plus Br2 in presence of UV light. Now this HBr 1% H combined with 1% Br to form here CH3CCH3 H, here CH2Br. This is called as isobutyl bromide. Isobutyl bromide. Plus this is 1% only. Okay. And next one, 99% of this H combined with 99% of Br to form HBr, and this 99% Br combined here to form here CH3C CH3, and here Br, that is tertiary butyl bromide. Tertiary butyl bromide, that is 99%. Okay. So students, after watching this video, attempt the following questions. First one, discuss mechanism of, first one, discuss mechanism of chlorination of methane. Chlorination of methane. Second, melting point and a boiling point of N-pentane is higher than neopentane. Explain why. Third one, what is write short note on. Write note on chlorination and bromination of N-butane, isobutane, ethane and propane.